Do you need to print on large pieces of paper? Word has a limit on the size of the paper it can use, but that might not be the only limiting factor. Word allows you to print on a wide variety of paper sizes. You can't use an unlimited paper size, however. For instance, it does very little good to try to print a poster-sized document on a plotter simply because Word won't support documents that large. If you display the Layout tab of the ribbon, you can see that there is a size tool here that allows you to choose common paper sizes for your document. There is much more flexibility, though, by clicking this icon to display the Page Setup dialog box. Now, over on the Paper tab, you can specify the width and height of your page. Word is hard-coded to permit document widths and heights as small as 1/10 of an inch and as large as 22 inches. You can see that this page is set for 8.5 by 11, but if I hold down the up arrow, you can see that it scrolls up very quickly, but it stops when I get to 22 inches because that's the maximum width that we can have for a piece of paper. That same value, or that same size limit, is there for the height value as well. Because of this, the largest page area that you can define in Word is 22 inches by 22 inches. This is an absolute limit. If you need to print on a larger piece of paper, then you'll need to use a different program, such as a desktop publishing program. Now, there is one caveat to keep in mind. The paper size to which you can print may also be limited in some way by your printer driver. For instance, if your printer driver will only handle paper up to 18 inches in width, then it won't matter that Word can handle up to 22 inches in width. If you find that your printer driver is limiting what you can print, you should check with the manufacturer to see if a newer printer driver is available that allows for larger paper sizes. So, the next time you need to print a large document, remember the limits that Word puts in place and use the Page Layout dialog box to specify exactly what you need. I hope that you found this quick tip helpful. If you did, you might consider signing up for my Word Tips newsletter. Every weekly issue is free, and it includes great tips that you can put to work right away. Information is in the notes just below this video. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today.